Have you ever tried using your phone under direct sunlight and just couldn't see anything clearly, no matter how high you push the brightness? Well, it looks like Apple has finally found a solution, and it's not something new, it's something Samsung already did with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That's right, the next-gen iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are rumored to get a major upgrade that Android users, especially Samsung fans, already love an anti-reflective display glass. According to a report from Macrumors, Apple is preparing to use a special kind of glass that reduces glare and reflections, making the screen much easier to read even when you're outside on a bright sunny day or under harsh lighting. Samsung introduced this with its Gorilla Glass armor on the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it was a game changer. It allowed users to clearly see the screen without needing to max out brightness, which in turn saved battery and prevented the phone from heating up unnecessarily. Now, Apple seems ready to jump on this feature for its Pro models, while skipping it for the regular iPhone 17 and the rumored iPhone 17 Air. What's interesting is that Apple's suppliers have reportedly managed to produce this anti-reflective glass at a scale big enough to be used in mass production. That's a big deal because it means this upgrade isn't just for a few lucky users, it could be part of the standard Pro experience going forward. And there's more. The new glass isn't just about cutting down reflections, it's also tougher, offering better scratch resistance, which is something everyone can appreciate. If you've ever watched a movie or played a game on your phone outdoors, you'll understand just how useful this could be. It's not about gimmicks or pushing flashy numbers. It's a real improvement in how the phone feels and performs every day. Samsung brought this kind of glass not only to phones, but also to some of its high-end TVs, yet most other brands haven't caught up. That's why it's so interesting to see Apple potentially picking this up for their next big iPhone release. It also shows how, even in a world full of innovation, sometimes the smartest move is simply adopting a genuinely useful feature that another brand already got right. The goal here isn't just better viewing, it's about efficiency. By reducing the need for extreme brightness levels, phones will use less battery and stay cooler, which means longer battery life and better performance overall. For power users who are always on the go, or even for someone who just scrolls social media while waiting for a ride, these kinds of upgrades make a real difference. Apple may not be the first to do it, but if the execution is done well, it could end up being one of the most appreciated upgrades in the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. And while this premium feature won't be coming to the non-Pro models just yet, it might just set the standard for what's expected in high-end smartphones from now on. So if you were waiting for a good reason to upgrade, this display change could be it. Let us know in the comments if this feature matters to you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.